Hello friends, my name is Shreyas. Today I am going to share with you the one skill which you need to accelerate in your career. So the skill is communication skills. If you are a student or a job person, or you are a businessman, or you are a housewife, the one skill which you definitely do in this new generation, in this digital generation, that is communication skill. Yes, communication skills is very much important for a job person or to get the promotion, for a business person to get communicate with their clients, with their retailers, to multiply their businesses and their retailer, and to multiply their profit. And definitely for student to get a good job placement, to get good studies, you need to read book, and definitely you have to accelerate your communication skills. Communication skills, the uses are to communicate with each and every person. You need a better communication skill to convince anyone to to know about himself. The communication skill is very much. So one thing which I recommend you, that communication skills is the basic need of this today's generation. You can multiply your earning, you can get better job promotion, double and triple, because the customer get very easily convinced with you. Similarly, you can, to improve your communication skill, one the greatest skill which you require is meditation. Yes, meditation can give you the clarity in your thoughts, clarity in your decision making, and which give the clarity in the communication skills. The all the thoughts in your mind get deleted. That's why you can think clearly and communicate clearly. That's why I recommend you the meditation. Read good books. Your vocabulary get influence, and it should get sharp by giving, by reading more, and by speaking more. So that's why I recommend you. And find a mentor, the person you want to become, the score you want to achieve, the percentage, or the business, or the profit, or the job you want, what are the things you want. Try to find a mentor. If you don't get a mentor, read their Wikipedia. You will get the solution, you will get the solution. And definitely write down your goals. Definitely write down your goals. Your mind get focused when you write down your goals. So the things which I recommend, that improve your communication skills to multiply your income, multiply your business, get focus in studies, to convince everyone. Definitely you should do a meditation, read good books, follow the mentor on online, read their Wikipedias, and the final review your performance. So the scale on 0 to 10, how much you are improving. So these are the things from my side. So improve the communication skills. Okay, so I'm signing off. Thank you very much. If you want any need, or you want any question or queries, write down in the comment, such that I could make next video on this topic. Okay, have a great day. Thank you.